Absolutely.
Thank you so much.
Gotta keep the group together.
What do you think about her face? What do you see? Are her eyes open or closed?
Closed.
Do you think her eyes are closed? They're a little, yes, the baby has a closed eye. Her eyes are actually open just a little bit.
Do you know why her eyes are open? So she could see the children and so she can take care of them. And she could look after them.
But the one,
Yes.
the one guy is open at that.
Yes, his eyes are wide open. What do you think he's looking at when he's looking up? What do you think?
He's looking at the lights.
He's looking up at the lights. Yeah, could be. Could be. Let's come over here and let's look at some of the pictures.
The fourth baby that she's going to be doing today is from a clay that's just north of Santa Fe. Abacute. You want to take it from her?
Aren't they wonderful? They're so good.
I'm 4. You're 4. Who's 3? 5.
Do you see anything on this, Mama?
All right, I gotta go, but keep me informed. Okay, thanks.
Anything up there? Willow, what is that?
Hair.
Hair. Look at that hair.
What's the hair made of?
Like that. Some of it is clay.
The hair?
What's the hair made of?
Got any ideas?
Grass.
This is Roxanne's husband.
Grass.
It's actually made out of grass. They colored grass.
Ooh. Now look at the top up there.
Could you please like that again?
Light it again.